welcome back to my channel, guys. No, I'm kidding. I don't do that. Welcome back to my channel.
Hey, Jen.
Okay, so this is an impromptu video since I never really show behind the scenes of my life, and I thought it was a perfect time to introduce y'all to some of my sisters. I have 4 sisters, but this is 3 of them. This one here is, what's your name?
I don't know.
How old are you?
25.
Okay. This one here is
Nacia.
How old are you?
22.
Okay, and this is the baby of the bunch.
What's going on, Gems? My name is Era Daniel. You know what I mean? I is a chef. Big top shotter chef. Yeah, and I am 20 years old. I is a Libra. My birthday coming up just now. I'm gonna be 21. Check. I'm gonna be really legal.
Oh my goodness. Anyways, so we're spending the day at the beach. Well, kind of, because we come so late and it's raining, and we were supposed to come and the baby of the bunch was supposed to make us work out, but this one don't want to work out and this one don't want to get wet, so I don't know. We'll see how this goes.
I think we're gonna do a 10-minute workout, even if it's 10 minutes.
I'll work out, like it don't matter.
It don't. You see?
Yeah.
I like honey.
We don't need the mat though, cause
okay, we wanna. But if you wanna be kicking up sand and doing like this, yeah, we doing all of that.
That's what we're doing?
Yeah.
I'm down. I'm down as long as I get to dip in the water. I don't care. I don't know if I'm gonna record everything because it's drizzling and I don't want my camera to get wet, but we shall see how the day goes.
them here.
It's drizzling still. I should get my mat. That's the mat you buy?
Yeah.
Anyways, hopefully it stops raining. I'm gonna just post my camera up and record whatever it is Era is about to have us do, and then we're gonna take a dip. I left the boys home with my mother and she's tired. They're all taking a nap right now, so we're trying to reach back before they wake up. Oh gosh, this mat is ready. So I'll be back. The lighting is bad, but so the lighting is bad, but because it's okay. Because I should record from that way, but I don't want the camera to get wet.
We know that ain't it. Well, we might be. Yeah. Okay. Set timer to 15 minutes. Okay. So the first thing we're gonna do. This is why it's doing 25. T25. You just start off fast. T25. I do it every morning. It's a workout. So you do it this year. And make sure you sense your abs so you can get underneath it. feeling good. Done all the thing to go. Just get a good workout in. Now we're gonna dive into the beach. That's the best feeling.
So we just did like a 20-minute workout. It was good. Main workout in about like a week, so I was actually looking forward to this because I need to get back in track. Although I usually do yoga or Pilates, this was more of like a high cardio, so it was good. Now we're about to do our oil scrub, our sand and oil scrub, and get in the water. Hey! Hey! Okay, so I'm gonna let them introduce themselves. Starting from the youngest.
Hi, my name is Daniel. Welcome. And I am 21 years old. Not 21 yet, but I'm gonna just say that. My birthday is October 8th. Big Libra Nation going on. Nice to meet y'all. Gems, babies. I hope y'all loving the products. I hope y'all loving the vlogs. So yeah.
Ira gonna be my spokesperson one day because she'll just I want you to do.
So I'm a top chef.
So yeah, my youngest sister is a chef. They have a business called Vital Vibrations. They just sell at the market on Saturdays, and they enter local competitions, and they've been doing very well in the vegetarian/vegan category. So yeah. Next is this girl here, my future nanny/babysitter.
Hey, my name is Nacia.
Let me see your face.
I am 22. I am certified in CDA childcare. I tend to become a future nanny, babysitter, own my own daycare, whatever the case might be. And that'll be it.
What do you like to do in your spare time?
What I like to do on my spare time is meditate, sleep, do yoga,
Sleep should have been the first thing.
and listen to music.
Yeah, she's the dancer of the group,
Yes, and I love to dance.
the walk-up artist. She loved to dance. And then the third oldest.
Hi, my name is Arona. You could call me Lolo.
Okay, Lolo.
I'm also certified in
Childcare development.
childcare development. And you know, my future plan is to one day open my own daycare.
What do you like to do in your spare time?
Read, sing, not dance. 'Cause I don't dance. I can't dance. Yeah.
You be trying though. Bless your heart. And
Yeah,
then we have an adopted sister here that we recently met.
Peace,
Great,
everybody.
great energy.
Peace. My name is Ra. I am a mompreneur. So I do a lot of everything. My main thing I'm trying to do is brand ambassador work, sales, and enjoy my life.
Yes.
Yeah.
So let me turn this around. Anyways, everybody is doing their sand and oil scrub, and I'm about to do mine.
Tell them what we're doing.
Yeah. Yeah, we're doing a sand and oil scrub. I said that. So I'm about to do mine, and this is a great cheap way to exfoliate. Just using what you have. Let me see that oil. I know I really need this after
I never
that stateside water.
Huh? I never did this before. Yeah, it feels so good.
You want glowing, baby bottom, smooth skin? Do this. This is great. And if you don't live on the island and you don't have access to this, just get medium salicylic body scrub, and you get the same effect.
Yeah, you could use coconut oil, grapeseed oil, olive oil, any kind of oil that you like for your scrub. You could do it, and then you go in the beach and you just wash it all off, and you come out glowing. You don't come out looking sandy and salty.
It's amazing, and your skin is super soft, super soft. Okay, my camera is about to die, so I'm gonna cut this video short, and when I change my battery I'll come back and wrap this video up. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all like one of the things that I do on a regular Sunday. I usually come to the beach by myself, but today was a little different and I came with my sisters and it was just as great. But yeah, maybe give this video a thumbs up or comment below if you like more stuff like this, and I will definitely do more behind the scenes, day in my life type of videos sometimes. So I just got home from the beach and I said, let me just wrap this video up now before I go inside, because as soon as I go inside it's straight mommy mode, and I have quite a few more things to get done today before tomorrow. So yeah, I had a great time at the beach with my sisters, and I really don't have anything else to say other than I had a great day at the beach. So it's just one of the things that I do for self-care, and the beach is truly my happy place. Like, I go to the beach every week unless something come up beyond my control, and I absolutely can't. But other than that, pretty much every Sunday you can catch me at the beach at some point, usually early in the morning, because I rather go early before the beach get crowded and all of the party goers start populating the beach. So today we went kind of late, but we were lucky to find a spot that wasn't crowded, and we had our workout, we did our sand scrub, and then we went in the water and talk, vibe, you know, allow the seawater to heal our bodies, because there's a lot of healing benefits of the ocean, so I don't take that lightly. Anyways, to all of my melanated women, protect your womb by any means necessary, and to everybody watching, protect your peace by any means necessary. I wish you all love, light, and prosperity, and you'll see me in my next video.